Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is having a great day today. Today I figured I would do a little grocery haul for you guys and take you guys along with me. So let's go grocery shopping, shall we? Okay, so we just got back from the store. I didn't get any footage there or on the way back because it was storming and you wouldn't have seen anything but rain anyway. So, and plus the store was packed, so it would have done any good to film in there anyway because it was elbow to elbow in there. But we're going to start off with the frozen section so that way I can get that put away and then we will pick up back with the rest of this. Okay, so for meats, I got a pack of this better cheddar because we have some family coming up, so we're going to grill out. I've got 2 packs of this market side organic ground beef. I love this, so I picked up 2 of those. I got some more of this Cajun style smoked sausage. For more meat, I got some pork chops for my husband, and I got a roast just to have on hand so I can throw that in the crock pot. I got some fresh blueberries, which is supposed to be over there, but it's fine. I got some corn, 2 packs of these fine green beans. I got another pack of these steakums. These are really good. I like to have that on hand for sandwiches. I got some broccoli, and I got 2 pizzas for a quick dinner one day. I got the Supreme and the all-meat pizzas. These are really good. If you haven't tried these, I recommend you try them because they're really good. So, got that. I'm going to go ahead and put all of this up, and I will meet you back here, and we will move on with the second half of the grocery haul. Okay, so we're going to start off with the non-food items, and I picked up this right here. This is really good. It's got retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C in here. I love using these. I also picked up some more peptides, some collagen peptides. They did not have the Vital Proteins brand, which is what I normally get, but if they don't have it, I usually just pick up the Wal-Mart brand. So pick that up. And for dinner tonight, we picked out this Italian seasoned roast beef and some of this Bob Evans sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. Gonna have that for dinner tonight since it's so late. Picked up some more oyster sauce, some olive oil, some more peppercorns, garlic, some more salt for my salt grinder, some more sesame seeds, some almond milk. I picked up some Parmesan cheese and some of these Kraft singles. I picked up 2 different kinds of melons, just a regular melon and I guess this is an Italian brand or harvested cantaloupe. A watermelon, onions, some potatoes, some of these little cherry tomato medley things, which those are great for snacking. I've also got some of these orange juices for my daughters, some more drink mixes. I got the pineapple mango and the orange blast. And I got 2 of each of these Alani Nu. We've got this one, the Rocket Pop, and this one, the Cosmic Stardust. We haven't tried these, so I'm really eager to try those. I got 2 packs of eggs. My daughter needed some bread, so picked her up this one. This is the Everything Bagel. And I just like having these on hand, so, you know, snacks. So I picked up the beef and the chicken. So yeah, that's going to wrap up today's grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.